today's health topic, we'll be discussing about Swarna Prashan. Swarna Prashan is Ayurveda's way of building immunity in children. Swarna Prashan was explained by Acharya Kashyapa. Acharya Kashyapa is regarded as the go-to person for pediatrics. He was considered as the Ayurveda specialist, child specialist. So Acharya Kashyapa explained Swarna Prashan among the 16 samskaras. Swarna Prashan, the word meaning is Swarna means to gold and Prashan means to lick or to consume. So in this case, gold, edible gold is mixed along with ghee and honey and other herbs like sweet flag, or we call it as vacha in Sanskrit, mandukaparni or pennywort. So this type of herbs along with honey, ghee and edible gold is given to children on the Pushya Nakshatra on empty stomach. Pushya Nakshatra comes once in 27 days and it is considered very auspicious for doing Swarna Prashan. Swarna Prashan can be given for children from birth till 16 years of age. Swarna Prashan primarily boosts the immunity of children and also it aids in a better digestion. It is good for their mental growth, their physical growth, their skin and hair, and overall health of a children can be improved by giving Swarna Prashan. So Swarna Prashan, you have to give it every 27 days once. So what if I miss the schedule? What if I cannot give it once in 27 days or I miss a few months? No, there are no side effects when you miss the Swarna Prashan. So Swarna Prashan is very safe. It can be given for all children from the age of birth till 16 years of age. But in our clinic, we usually advise it from 1 year age till 16 years. Swarna Prashan is also very helpful for children suffering from autism, ADHD, cerebral palsy, etc. So for children suffering from such problems, Swarna Prashan must be done upon consultation with the Ayurveda doctor. In our clinic, Deepam Ayurveda, we do Swarna Prashan on every Pushya Nakshatra. And Swarna Prashan, we do it in 2 sessions, morning session and the evening session. For persons who cannot attend Swarna Prashan, we are also shipping the Swarna Amrit drops to your doorstep. So do contact us on the given numbers to get your Swarna Amrit drops and to start doing Swarna Prashan at your homes to build the immunity of your children. You can contact us on the given numbers in the description box for online appointments and also for direct appointments, and for regarding your doubts about Swarna Prashan, we are very happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.